Create project tracker from scratch in Excel. It's easy. First, develop the format, type title and headings, drafted, submitted, reviewed, approval, approved. Now, to do tasks, completed tasks, rotate text up and then center align it. Now, center align it, adjust the columns width. Now, format headings, format the title row, increase size, bold it, and change color. Now again format the heading row, adjust the row's height. Yes, we have increased the height here. Now give table a border. Apply a blue color. Now enlist the activities. We have already enlisted some activities. We can copy from here and paste it. Yes, our format is ready now. Now insert the icons in milestones column. Change the icons. Change type to number. Change value of first one. Show icons only. Center align it. Type some icons. Now calculate task completion percentage using COUNTIF function. Convert to percentage the value. Now calculate to do task percentage. Now drag it down. Now we will add data bars on to do column. Change type to formula. Now minimum value 0, maximum 1. Change color. Keep direction from right to left. OK. Now left align the text. Change its color. Now add data bars on completed column. Change type to formula. Minimum value 0, maximum 1. Change color to dark blue and direction from left to right. Format the text. That's great. This is how developing tracker is so easy in Excel. Please like and follow.